Google ads versus Facebook ads, which is best? What's up, everybody? Welcome to MoPaid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury Malvo, and in this video, I want to talk about, Google ads versus Facebook ads. I'm going to talk about what's the difference between the two and which one's best. And, spoiler alert, they're both good. They both serve purposes. They both have their pros and cons. It just depends on what your business is, where you're at in your business journey, and what you're looking to get out of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, I want to talk about Google Ads. So, guys, Google Ads are best for intent driven searches. So, intent driven basically means what's the purpose for the consumer's search, right? So when you go to Google, you're typing in all types of things. You're looking up things. For example, there, let's say if I have a dog and I'm looking for somebody to groom my dog, one of the first places I would go to would be Google, and I would type in something like best dog groomer around me, best local dog groomer around me, affordable dog. So I'm searching for that. And that's essentially what Google Ads offers. So it targets people actively searching for product or services, right? So the purpose of Google Ads ideally is for lead generation, local services, as well as e-commerce. The way that we can use Google Ads is for search, display, YouTube ads, Performance Max, which we'll talk about all those different ways that we can use Google Ads. But Google Ads is essentially meant for visibility. So the higher the cost per click, but you can also get stronger conversion rate. So you are paying for a click. You're paying for so if you go to Google right now and you type in local dog groomer around me, you'll probably, depending on what area you're at, you will most likely see ads, sponsored ads, right? So when you click on that, that ad is being charged for your click. Just letting you know. So that's essentially Google Ads in a nutshell. I don't want to make this video too long just because I have work coming up soon, but I just wanted to shoot this video for y'all real quick. Moving on to Facebook ads. Facebook ads is best used for audience engagement, right? So it targets users based on their interests, their behavior, as well as their demographics. This is normally ideal for video. Oh, excuse me. This is normally ideal for brand awareness, e-commerce, and impulsive buys. Okay. So the way Facebook ads are used is normally with images, videos, as well as carousel ads, and this is for storytelling. It's generally a lower cost per click, but it requires strong creatives. Okay, so let's rewind that back for the last point I said. It's generally lower for cost per click. And this is because you're not really bidding on keywords like you would do for Facebook. I mean, like you would do for Google Ads. You're not really bidding for keywords, right? You're the hardest, I would say the hardest thing with Facebook is kind of finding your audience, which takes time. You're not gonna just, I mean, you can have an idea, you can have a prediction of what your audience is going to be like, but until you actually run a Facebook campaign and you're able to acquire impressions and data and information, then you're not really going to know what target audience you should be really focusing on until you actually run a campaign for like a month or two. Because with that data, Facebook can start giving you lookalike audience, and they can start giving you like, hey, this is where your ads are performing better, doing that split testing and really optimizing. But for starters, Facebook ads is best used for audience engagement. So, they what I was saying like earlier in this video, Google and Facebook, they work kind of together. One's not better than the other. It just depends on which one you need for your business, right? And because with Google Ads, if so, which one should you choose? So it just depends, because when you use Google Ads, you could use it to capture high intent searches, right? And then for Facebook ads, you can use that to generate demand and build brand awareness. So, what's the best strategy? Just use both. For to get the full funnel approach, it will be smart to use both. And hopefully that answers your question. They both work great. You know, if you want to start with one versus the other, that's fine. Businesses do it all the time. But essentially, you want to use both of them. So, with that being said, this concludes my video about Facebook versus Google. Both of them are best. It just depends on what you're looking to get out of your marketing strategy. But yeah, with that being said, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this about paid media. Thank you for watching. Bye.